Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? So let's stand up and next we'll do our stretching sequence. Stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then we'll go down low. Low to our toes. And then back up high again, and this time can we go tippy toe high, and over there give a wave, and then hands on hips, and let's give a wiggle. Stop, and let's give another little wiggle. Stop, round and round. Round and round, round and round, and stop. Let's go back the other way, round the other way, round and round, and stop. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, stop. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently?
Multiplication and word problems.
Perfect, excellent. Multiplication,
Word
word problems.
problems.
So let's write that phrase on the board. Multiplication. 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 Word.
W-O-R-D.
Problems. P-L-E-M-S. Multiplication. Word. Problems. So now let's do a couple together. I will write a multiplication word problem on the board. Are we ready guys?
Ready.
Okay. There are, can somebody give me a 2-digit number? 25. There are 25 students S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Where are the students? Okay, there are 25 students in a 7-11. Okay. Each student, E-A-C-H, student, S-T-U-D-E-N-T, will buy I-L-L, B-U-Y, 7 sweets. 7 sweets. How many? O-W-M-A-N-Y. How many sweets? S-W-E-E-T-S. Do the students buy in total? Excellent, guys. Question mark, yes. So now let's read all together. There are 25 students in a 7-11. Each student will buy 7 sweets. How many sweets do the students buy in total? Now, I would like a volunteer to come forward and work out this problem. Pak Bung, I see your hand go up very quick. Okay, so Pak Bung, over to you. What numbers do we need to multiply? 25, 7. Okay, so step 1, 7 times 5. 35. So we write the 5, carry or regroup the 3. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 plus the 3 we carry over equals 17. Okay, so what's the total number of sweets? Okay, so we can say how many sweets do the students buy in total? And we can say the students buy 175 sweets in total. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Excellent. Well worked out. Pak Bung, high five. That was brilliant. Round of applause for Pak Bung. So now let's do one more word problem together, okay? This time we will say there are how many people? 15. Okay, there are 15 children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. There are 15 children on a farm. On a farm. F-A-R-M. And guess what they are doing on the farm? Picking fruit. P-I-C-K-I-N-G. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. There are 15 children on a farm picking fruit. Each child, C-H-I-L-D. Each child picks, P-I-C-K-S. How many pieces of fruit? 10. Okay. Each child picks 10. What fruit shall we have? What fruit are we picking? Oranges. Okay. Oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E. And if it's more than one, we need S, plural. 10 oranges. Each child picks 10 oranges. Okay. How many? Many, M-A-N-Y. How many oranges, O-R-A-N-G-E-S, do the children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, pick, P-I-C-K, in, I-N, total, T-O-T-A-L. And then at the end, okay guys, all together one more time. There are 15 children on a farm picking fruit. Each child picks 10 oranges. How many oranges do the children pick in total? And now I would like a volunteer to come forward and answer the problem. Pat, excellent. You can come and answer our multiplication word problem. Okay, so there you go, there's your pen. So guys, what amounts are we multiplying? We have 15. Excellent. Multiplied by how many? 10. 1, 0. Excellent. So it's 2 digits by 2 digits. So remember, this requires 2 steps, or maybe even 3. So first step, 0 times 5
equals
0. 0 times 1
equals 0.
If we're multiplying by 0, the answer will always be 0. Excellent. So step 2. Now we move into the tens column. What do we write in the ones column?
0.
1 times 5.
Equals 5. 1.
Excellent. And then 1 times 1.
Equals 1.
Perfect, Pat. Well done. So 0
0
plus 150.
equals 150.
Yes. You see, we take the answer to step 1 and the answer to step 2 and we add together. And when the answer to step 1 is 0, the answer will be the same as step 2. 150. So, how many oranges do the children pick in total? And we can answer by saying the children pick 150 oranges in total. Excellent, guys. Pat, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, high five. Round of applause for Pat. Well done, guys. That was very well remembered. And now it's time for our students to work on their own multiplication word problems. So teachers, what you need to do is divide your students into groups of 3 or 4, depending on your class size, and give each group a piece of paper. I have 9 students in my class today, so 3 groups of 3 will work fine. What we need to do is give each group a sheet of plain A4 paper, and then they have to work on their own multiplication word problem. They have to think by themselves and then write by themselves, and obviously work out the answer, because the presentation part, they will come and ask their friends their questions. So first of all, guys, we need to be in groups. So 1, 2, 3, group 1. 1, 2, 3, group 2. 1, 2, 3, group 3. Okay? And give our students around 20 minutes to work on their multiplication word problem. Will be enough time. And you can monitor your class and assist them with any writing or spelling they need. Group 2. There you go. And group 3. There you go. So think, guys, work together on your multiplication word problems. Have one person writing and the other people can be thinking. What will you multiply? Think back to what we've just done on the board. The first problem was students and sweets. The second problem, children and fruit. So you can think about anything that you want to use for your multiplication word problem. And if you need any help with writing, let me know. And then the final part of the lesson we will present here. Okay. So think first, what would you like to multiply? What will you be using? I used on the board, I used students and sweets, or children and fruit. Okay, eating is a good one. Who is eating?
Me.
How many people? So, but remember, for multiply we need lots. Can't just be one. There are H-E-R-E. There are A-R-E. How many people? So how many people? First thing to do is think of your number you'll have. How many? There are, and then a number. There are 35. Okay. 35 people. P-E-O-P-L-E. So now there are 48. 48. There are 48 colours. Excellent. Okay. Okay. So what will your multiplication problem be? How many people? How many people? You start with there are T H E E R E, and then R A R E. Well, Pat, you can help Nadia too. Think about what you can write. There are 35 people eating, E-A-T, and then remember I-N-G. And how do we spell pizza? P-I-Z-Z-A. There are, excellent, pizza. Pizza's excellent. We have to add S. There are how many? 4. 14. 14's better. There are 14. And now that our students have all got their multiplication word problems prepared, it's time for our stretching sequence. So let's stand up, guys, and push in our chairs. Okay, and we'll begin by walking on the spot. Stop. Walking on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Let's turn left again. Turn left. And left. Hello. And now jogging on the spot. Stop. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Jogging on the spot. Quickly. Stop. Quickly. Stop. 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 Turn right. Turn right again. Turn right. Turn right again. Hello. Quickly. Stop. And to finish, we'll jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our students to come forward in their groups and present their multiplication word problems. So, group number 1, are you ready to present? Come and join me at the front of class. And now it's time for group 1's multiplication word problem. So are we ready to read, guys? Let's turn around and see. There are
48
students in the school. Each student has 36 colored pencils. How many colored pencils in total? Okay, so how many students in the school?
48.
48. And how many colored pencils does each student have? 36. So let's work out this problem together, guys. First of all, we take 6 times it by 8. 48. Excellent. So we write 8 and we carry the 4. 6 times 4. 24 plus the 4 we carry, 28. So our answer for step 1, 288. And now we move on to step 2. What's the first thing we do for step 2? 0. Okay, so next we have 3 times 8. 24. Excellent. So we'll write 4, and what will we do with the 2? We will carry. 3 times 4 equals 12. With the 2 we carry 14. So now we're into the thousands. So our answer for step 2, 1,440. But we're not finished yet. What do we need to do with the amount for step 1 and step 2? Add together. So 8 times 0 equals 8. 8 times 4, 12. So 2, carry another 1. 2 plus 4, 6. With the 1 we carry, 7. And then 0 times 1 equals 1. So our answer is 1,728. So we can say there are 1,728 colored pencils in total. Is that right, guys? Okay, high five. Well done. High five, Lakgao, Pak Boom, and Chu. And round of applause, guys. And And now we're ready for group number 2 to present their multiplication word problem. So group 2, come and join me at the front. Excellent. And first of all, we can show our friends our multiplication word problem. Are we ready to read, guys? So we can say, there are 35 people eating pizzas. Each person eats 10 slices. How many slices do all the people eat? Okay, very good, guys. So let's work this one out together. We have how many people?
35.
We have 35 people. And how many slices does each person eat? 10. So our problem is 35 times 10. 2 digit by 2 digits. But remember from earlier, when the first digit we multiply by is 0, 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 times 3
equals 0.
So our answer for step 1 is 0. And then on to step 2. What's the first thing we write? 1 times 3 equals 3. So what's our answer?
350.
So we can say each person eats 350 slices of pizza in total. Excellent, guys. High five. High five, bang pon. High five, Brel. High five, Nick. And round of applause, guys. Well done. And now it's time for group number 3 to present their multiplication word problem. So group 3, please join me at the front of class. Excellent. And we can see our multiplication word problem here. So let's read together, guys. Are we ready? There are 14 students running in a race. Each student runs 5 laps. How many laps do the students run in total? Okay, so let's see. How many students do we have? 14 students. And how many laps does each student run? 5. Okay. So, 5 times 4 equals 20. So we write 0, carry the 2. 5 times 1
equals 5 plus 2 equals 7.
So what's our answer, guys?
70.
What's the total number of laps the students run?
70.
So we can say the total number of laps that the students run is 70.
70.
Excellent. Nadia, high five. Pat, high five. And round of applause, guys. A round of applause for everyone, because that was really good. Well done. And that brings us to the end of our lesson. We hope you found it enjoyable and had a fun time too, working out your own multiplication word problems in your class. So we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. Can we all turn to wave and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again soon.